हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने चैनल हाउ कैन में। हेलो गाइस, टुडे आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग अवर पेंट engine. This is part 2 of that. I have tell you how to make something like this, okay, as you can see here. And I have changed the paint brush to white color, okay. And I have done that because I want the erasing also. So what I have taken here is if condition. If now take the key command, okay. If key E is pressed, okay, you can have any key. I am using E, means eraser, okay. Then go to pen and just take stamp. When if key is E is pressed, then stamp. So as you can see here, we can draw and then we can erase, okay, like this. So erasing is this simple. It is very simple. Make sure that you have paintbrush of white color, okay, so that it can be stamped white color, okay. So as you can see here, we can easily erase it, okay, because it is stamping only, okay. Maybe if you will see here, let me paint the backdrop of some different color, maybe of red color, okay. And then just draw something like this, okay. So as you can see here, if I draw, it is like this, and if I press the E, it will not erasing, because backdrop cannot be erased, okay, but it is only stamping, okay. It is not erasing anything, okay. It is only stamping, okay. So that we cannot see that, okay. And we can draw again upside it, okay, like this. As you can see here, we can erase it and we can draw it again, okay. And let me change the backdrop to white only, so that there is no problem. So just delete this, okay. And then as you can see here, we have no problem, okay. We only see the erasing, okay. So now let me do one more thing, okay. Let me change the size of the brush, okay. So for that, what I'm doing, if key what is pressed, we can take any key. I am have A and B, okay. A for more paintbrush size will bigger, and B for smaller size, okay. Now I am going to pen, and then just take change pen size by 1, okay, here. And or maybe you can do one thing, you can have it a circular thing to make it more like a eraser, okay. A circular eraser I want. So just hold shift here, okay, to get a perfect circle, okay. And then just small it, okay, and then just put it in the center. Now I'm going to code, and then I just say that go to looks, and then just say change size by 2, okay. So the eraser size will be greater, okay. Now if you can see here, if I show it to you, it is here, okay. It is not seenable in our eye here, okay, because it is white, okay. So as you can see here, now let me do for B also, for less size of eraser and paint. So we have to do when B key is pressed, change pen size by -1 and change size by -2, okay, the opposite of that, okay. So we have all this, okay. Now and now if you will have here, you can just add set pen size to maybe anything that you want, maybe for an example 10 maybe, okay. And go to looks, and here also set size to, that is pen size. It is and this is sprite size, okay, maybe 100, okay. So as you can see here, now if I let me put it there. Okay, so now if you can see here, it is like this, as you can see here. Okay, it is I don't want something like this, okay, the white thing, so just hide this. Okay, so now I just, when green flag is clicked, just hide, okay, at first. Okay, so now it will hide. Now as you can see here, uh, now it is erasing, okay, when I press E. Okay, and we can draw also. We can I am changing now size. Okay, so as you can see here, the size is changed by 1. Okay, it looks 3D, as you can see here. Okay, the 3D pipe maybe. Okay, anyway, it is looking like maybe 3D. Okay, because of view of our screen and eyes. Okay, so you can draw, you can change the size. Okay, a colorful thing, you can also erase it. Okay, like this. Okay, if any problem, you can tell me in comment section. And my paint engine now is ready. Okay, so it is looking perfect. Thanks.